Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm excited to share with you some of the amazing things that you can do with Google's latest and greatest Gemini 3. Here's the official press release that I've got pulled up. This was published on November 18th. It says Gemini 3 is our most intelligent model that helps you bring any idea to life. And it really is incredible what this tool can do. I've just been playing around with it today. It can create entire websites in less than a minute. It can build entire games for you as well. You can read through the entire press release here, but the one thing that I want to key in on is right here. These are the benchmarks. So humanity's last exam, it completely blew all the other AI models out of the water, including Claude Sonnet 4.5 and GPT 5.1, the latest ChatGPT version, as well as on all of the other tests here. So Gemini 3 is pretty incredible in terms of what it can do. So I'm just going to come over to Google AI Studio here. I'm actually building a website right now. I wanted to take my existing landing page and basically replicate it, but make it look a lot more professional with a different color scheme. So it's building that website right now. And if I want to watch it write all the code, I can come over here. It's just going to write all the code for me. I don't have to know how to write a single line of code. It's all no code, right? And then you can obviously tweak it as much as you want with simple prompts over here. So while that's building, I'm going to come over here and show you another example that I've already built. This is an on-demand merch mockup. So all you have to do is upload a logo. So I have this logo for a client of mine. It's called Reaper Surf. This is his website, and this is what the logo looks like. So all I have to do is upload this logo and say, put it on a t-shirt, put it on a coffee mug, office signage, which I can do real quick. If I just click on generate mockup, it's going to process it. And this website right here took literally a minute and a half to build. So, and there it is. So now it just created some signage. If I want to download this, all I have to do is click on download, and I can quickly and easily download the photo, and then come over here. I could just zoom in, right? So really high quality, really amazing what it's able to do in just a few minutes. That's just an example. And this is ready to deploy. Basically, I can just click up here and deploy the app on Google Cloud right away. So I'm just going to click on Create Project, and we're going to call it Reaper Surf. And who knows, maybe my client will want to buy this from me, right? So I'm just going to create the project, quickly and easily deploy it to Google Cloud. And there we go. So now we've got the website over here on Google Cloud Console. We're going to come back over here, and boom, my landing page is finished, and it looks even better than the one that I have right now, to be expected, because I built that one in Lovable. So I'm going to show you how it compares to my existing website. And so here's the website as it exists right now, which was built in Lovable. We can scroll through this. I still really like the way this one looks as well. And this required, 8 to 10 hours of work to get it looking exactly like this. But, right out of the box over here in Gemini 3, it looks pretty good. But honestly, it didn't quite get everything right. But I love the color scheme. And then these buttons need to be connected up. So it's pretty close. I like the way it looks a lot. So if I want to deploy this, I can just click on deploy. I can also download this app as well. So if I want to download all the source code into a zip file, I can do that. It didn't really quite get the what I was going after, but it's still pretty damn good what it was able to come up with. And again, I didn't have to write any of this code over here. It's all done for you. So ultimately, these tools are going to replace software engineers. I mean, it's already happening. They don't really need the software engineers anymore. Lots of companies like Google, Microsoft, IBM, I'm sure, they're all laying off staff because they can just use these tools instead, right, to create their products. And why not, right? And it's also going to widen the playing field in terms of, access for developers. I don't have to know how to write code, even though I have a computer science degree. It doesn't really make a lot of sense to write all the code if I could just use a tool like this to do it for me. And it looks beautiful, right? So that's another example of using it to build websites. And I can also show you some of the built-in things that they have over here as well. So if you go to Gallery on Google AI Studio, you can scroll through and take a look at some of the examples. This one's really cool. It's a voxel toy box, and basically it's just like a little game where you can explode 3D objects, kind of similar to like Minecraft or something like that. So here it is, and I can just break this apart, right? So you can see all of the parts are now lying on the ground, and I can zoom in, and this is all running within Gemini 3. It's not lagging my computer or anything. It's really fast. If I want to assemble something else, I can come up here, and then I can just break that apart again, which is kind of cool. So that's an example of what you can use it for. And we can come back and take a look at some of the other examples as well. So there's another one here to bring any idea to life. So yeah, I would just play around with it, have some fun, create some landing pages, maybe build build some cool games. You can also use this for building games as well. And it's really powerful. And it's the latest and greatest. It's the best model out there now. Like I say, it's beating all of the other models on the benchmarks. And yeah, just have a read through this press release. It's pretty technical. I'm not too interested in this sort of stuff, but you can also see like some of the examples over here as well, showing what it's capable of. And with that being said, thanks for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Signing off. Peace from Thailand.